Well guys, I'm hoping this turns into I fixed it myself video. This is my Samsung TV. You can see the reflection of my base in there. But anywho's, it messed up, and let me show you how it's messing up. Alright. I'm going to power it on. There are guys who show, boy, that reflection on there is just horrible. But anyway, you can see I've got the greenish lines everywhere. And now it's just staticky. And I purchased a, remanufactured TCON board. And man, I'm hoping that works. Got the back of it off. And here's where that lives. I got the cover and shroud off of it. But, it's, they usually say it's that board, or that board. And since I'm not a TV repairman, from all I can see online, it looks like it's probably this TCON board. So let's replace it. Well, first things first, make sure the thing is unplugged. I'm going to discharge myself, see if I got any static on me by touching the chassis. I got most of the screws off of here, but these little ribbon connectors up here, the way they disconnect is a little black bar on there that you put your fingernail in and slide it down, click it down I should say, and these ribbons pull out. And on the side, this one just is a clip, and we'll pull that one out. And now I see it looks like a little Phillips here, and let's see if that'll take the thing off. Okay, now they're little, there it goes. And now, put on the new one, comparing them, they look identical to me. The numbers on there match. So, let's give it a shot. So these two go, let me just slide that under there. Here. Okay. And now put this back in. Okay, and these things have a little tab on it. And you make sure the thing is open. Slide the tab in to the blue line. Snap it closed. Okay, I think that's everything on there. Well, wish me luck, boys. I heard a little click like it normally does. That's good. No smoke. That's good right now. And let's come on this side and see what happens when we try to power it on. Fingers crossed, guys. Yeah, I think that might have it. Okay. Now let me go grab something to plug into it. Weak or no signal. Oh my goodness, I think that's it, boys and girls. I'll be right back. Let's check out some young stud here. Hey! Check it out, ladies and germs. I got a TV. And like I said, it was like $35 shipped to the house for that TCON board. And so there we go. Well, here's the old TCON board. And if I'd have just taken it off that one more screw, I could have known for sure that it was blown. You could see that there's, well, how hot that got in that area. So some component up in there blew. And so that's the reason why my TV went out.